Hello, welcome to our channel. We are happy to share simple natural choices that can improve your life. Today's topic is something small but very powerful. Garlic. Many people use it for taste. Few people understand its real value. Garlic contains active compounds. One of them is allicin. This compound supports your body in many ways. It helps your system respond to harmful organisms. This is why garlic is often called natural protection. Another important effect is related to your heart. Garlic may support circulation. It helps your blood move more efficiently. This supports overall balance. Then comes immunity. Garlic supports your defense system. It helps your body react faster to external stress. This is especially important during seasonal changes. Another benefit is digestion. Garlic may support your gut. It helps your system stay active. Some people feel improvement over time. Now let's talk about inflammation. Internal stress affects your body. Garlic may help reduce this effect. This supports long-term health. But here is the truth. Garlic is strong. Too much may cause discomfort. Some people feel stomach irritation. So what is the right way? Use small amounts. Regular use is better than excess. Fresh garlic is more effective. Now here is the key idea. Garlic is not magic. It is support. A natural one. When used consistently, it becomes powerful. Because real health is built daily. Small habits create big results. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay strong, take care.